really special event going on today at Krispy Kreme. That's where today's adventure brings us. They have a donut that's cream-filled, glazed, dipped in caramel with red icing, and they call it the Mars Doughnut. So we are taking a mission to Mars, and we are going to try a Mars Doughnut. I already put in for a reservation to get one of these very unique donuts. So let's get in line and try one. It's February 18th only, 2/18. And let's go in and get a delicious donut and coffee. Right here at Krispy Kreme in Columbus, Georgia. Boy, if I could send you the smell right now. It just smells like delicious hot donuts. It smells wonderful out here. And this is my favorite place to come. I think I can see them from here. There's not really much on the conveyor, but I think I'm gonna see them. The Mars Doughnut. And this is exactly what I came in for. A very special Mars Doughnut, today only. And aren't they beautiful? They've got the little crumbs on the side, the little cookie crumbs, dipped in caramel, and they have icing on the top. And they look so good. They look so delicious. And how cute they are.
Two chocolate covered with sprinkles and two of the pink.
And I see some more Mars Donuts sitting right over there. How cute. You can even get a customized happy birthday Krispy Kreme box for your donuts. Awesome. So we're about to try one of these donuts from the Red Planet. And I'm about to take a bite out of one of them. They are very beautiful. This is the Mars Doughnut here at Krispy Kreme that they only have for today. If you notice, the cookie crumbles resemble the rock surface and the icing resembles the Red Planet. And I believe it's filled with either cream or chocolate. And it's delicious. Let me take a bite.
You're going to be surprised.
I probably will be surprised. That is good. Oh my gosh. The icing has a very caramel flavor. And the chocolate blends well with the glazed donut. It has a very unusual flavor. Now, it would be funny. Let me take a bite. That's good. That's delicious. What would be funny is if there were a Krispy Kreme on Mars and they were selling Earth donuts. That would be funny today. That would be really funny. This is absolutely delicious. The icing tastes like caramel. It's got the cookie crumbs with the rock surface. It's got the chocolate filling in the middle. And the glaze just all goes together well. The flavor is just phenomenal. If y'all get a chance today, come by. February 18th only. To Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. I had to make a special trip over here. That's delicious. And you can really taste the fresh chocolate. And it's chocolate filled. It is so incredibly delicious, y'all. The very delicious Mars Doughnut here at Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. And they said it was at participation locations, only participating locations. And luckily this one over here in Columbus, Georgia has them. Oh my gosh, how delicious. Absolutely delicious. And they're chocolate filled. I love the chocolate. And I love the icing, the caramel icing with the, I think it's Oreo cookie crumble on the top. Perfect. Perfect flavor. Perfect. And it's one day only. And I love it. I absolutely love it. The Mars Doughnut. And this is to honor the U.S. probe NASA mission to Mars landing today. It's just so incredibly delicious. And if they had these every day, if they had these Mars Doughnut every day, these would be my very favorite. I just absolutely love the flavor. It's just perfect. The caramel, the chocolate, the glaze, the icing, the cookie crumbles. This is the most delicious planet I've ever tasted. I love it. That chocolate filling is incredible. It's phenomenal. I think it's the best donut I've had in a long, long time. Right here at Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. One day only, February 18th. And it's incredible. I've never tasted a caramel donut. None of us have ever tasted a caramel donut before, but the flavor is incredible. Mixed with the glazed. I've never tried it that way before, but it's really unique. And the chocolate filling is just perfect. I need to let Krispy Kreme know that's the best donut I've had in a long time. And I'm usually a fan of the original glazed donuts here at Krispy Kreme, but oh, what a unique flavor. This is delicious. The Mars Doughnut, one day only here, February 18th. While supplies last. That's why I got on over here and got one. And there's actually a line right now at the drive-thru looking at it. And it's the Mars Doughnut. You can get you a Mars dozen, or you can get you a Mars single or a half dozen. And what a donut. I absolutely love it. And again, it's to honor the NASA probe landing on Mars today. And I'm probably going to go home and watch it. This is just so delicious. Such a delicious donut. It's like a chocolate caramel candy, but in a donut. A very unique and delicious flavor. I'm a huge fan of the Red Planet now. I love Mars. I love the Mars Doughnut at Krispy Kreme. Probably my second favorite, second to the glazed. That's how delicious it is. And it's amazing with the chocolate icing. I ordered 2 more of these, and I'm glad I did, because I'm going to come back and pick them up. So delicious. Remember, they have chocolate Fridays. On select Fridays, you can get a chocolate donut. But nothing beats the Mars Doughnut. That was awesome. You can also sign up online and get exclusive offers on Krispy Kreme Doughnuts. You can get you a chance to get you a free donut. Earn free treats, more smiles, and exclusive offers. The Krispy Kreme app. The coffee's my favorite. Glazed donuts, the original glazed donut. That's the best flavor. They also have classic roast, bold 1937 roast. You can actually purchase these here. They have decaf. They also have Keurig cups available for $9.49 a box. So you can come up here and pick out your favorite coffee here at Krispy Kreme in Columbus, Georgia. Looks like they're running low on them, but these are absolutely delicious. I wish they would keep this flavor all the time. I love the little Martian donuts. They're so cute. What a delicious flavor. And again, it's the Mars Doughnut. It's a caramel iced and chocolate cream filled donut. They're $1.89. You can even get a dozen to honor the landing on Mars today. It's a beautiful, beautiful. Those are good too, but it's a beautiful flavor. It's a caramel with chocolate in the middle, and I just absolutely enjoyed mine. The Mars Doughnut. Take your mission to Mars today. And of course they have gifts if you'd like a gift. If you'd like a t-shirt here in Columbus, you can come and get you one. The little bottles and the little mugs that change colors. I'm going to link that video. I tested one of those one day. Those actually change colors. And they have coffee cups if you'd like a coffee cup. My favorite place to come. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to get you a Mars Doughnut today. February 18th only. They're delicious. Share the joy today of Mars. Mars Doughnuts at Krispy Kreme. Thank you so much for watching.